Here's how to lock any app on Android. Now, on your Android phone, let's open up the Google Play Store. Unfortunately, you need a third-party app to be able to lock apps. You can't just do it natively. But there are completely free options on here. So let's just tap on search and we will search for App Lock. You can see App Lock Pro at the very top. I would recommend this one 100 million downloads. And after you've installed it, just tap on the open button and I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's say get started, and you can choose to create a 4-digit PIN, 6-digit PIN, pattern, or a knock code. In this case, I'm just going to choose 1111 as the example, and I'm going to verify that again. Now I can choose if I wanted to turn on my fingerprint as an extra biometric or a face scan, but let's hit not right now. And I'm going to go through this list. You just need to make sure that everything on here is turned on and allowed. So again, just go through and allow permission for all of this, usage data access, appear on top, etc. After you've done all of that, you can start to lock apps. It's really easy to do. You can see I can scroll down and I can choose an app to lock. Let's say, in this case, the phone app. Just tap on it and it says locked phone. To see which apps you've locked, you can tap on lock at the top right and see all of the apps that are currently locked. You can choose to unlock them if you want. And now if I tap on the phone app, it automatically prompts me to enter that PIN. I can enter in that PIN, just like that, and it will open it up so that no one else will be able to get into that app if they don't know that code.